So hi everyone. So today I'm going to share to you the latest announcements from eBay. So you will see here we have so let's start here. So last May 1st, so eBay announced about this, and eBay is inviting sellers to list cloth face masks. So before, they don't allow and remove those listings that are selling masks, sanitizers, and also uh, disinfectants. But right now, last May 1st, eBay is now inviting sellers. So we will talk more about this. And then the next one, May 2nd, so they shared what are the in demand right now on eBay. So let's talk first on eBay is inviting sellers to list face masks. So here you will see in early April, the Center of Disease Control and Prevention recommended Americans to wear a cloth face mask when away from home to help slow the spread of COVID-19. So actually, uh, uh, Amazon and eBay, they block and they remove those listings uh, that have connection or very uh, needed in the time of COVID-19. So the surgical, like the medical and surgical mask, sanitizer, and disinfectants. And only Etsy is the one who allowed and encouraging sellers to to list handmade masks to sell. So, and then now eBay is inviting the sellers to do the same as the Etsy did. So it says here eBay has been adopting business policies to address the evolving needs of our customer during the global pandemic. So even though we are continuing to restrict the sale of medical grade face masks on site, we are now encouraging sellers to list cloth face masks. So this will be a handmade face mask. So when listing cloth masks, please be sure the following these guidelines. So the listing must not make any medical claims or claims regarding their effectiveness at stopping the transmission of virus or diseases. And the listing may not mention coronavirus, or COVID-19 or COVID. So you will never use that in your description or what do you call this, or in your title. And do not list surgical or medical masks, including N95 respirators. So this is the one good announcement, of eBay, and for sure it's gonna be good because right now we're having also, like, it's not a shortage, but because medical and surgical masks are disposable, so you need to change it and use it once and you need to throw it. So that's why this cloth is gonna be a good uh, a good uh, a good item to sell on eBay right now. And then the next one, so this is the announcement last May 2nd. So what's in demand right now on eBay? So of course, if you are a VA, you should know this, because this items are came from eBay, so you should, this is their statistics, so they know which are the trending and best selling right now. So let's read this. So a few weeks ago, we shared some key insights on what's trending with buyers on eBay. So overall, there's been remarkable increase in traffic to our site, and eBay data offers a unique look at how everyone is adjusting their shopping behaviors. So while stay at home recommendation remain my region at the so blah blah blah. So let's see. So long. So let's see. So number one is the uh, WF Essentials. So these are the webcam, headsets, Wi-Fi adapters, lightning kits, office furniture, and speakers. So you will see how the webcams increase into 2,000% sale. So of course, because no one, because right now everyone are working at home, so and the way they talk, or the meetings, even for the church Bible study, streaming, so they use webcam. So that's why it's so high. Right now this is a high demand. Imagine 2,000%. So headset also, so Wi-Fi adapters, okay. And then playing around, so like this, the video games, VR headsets, controllers, video game console, video game and board games. So you will see here the VR headset is 590%. So of course they are so bored at house, so that's why they're looking for something that can remove their boredom in the house. So another one is making the best of things. So people are getting creative with their free time. So puzzles, sewing machine, 3D printing supplies, Lego painting supplies, yarn, arts and crafts, and candle soap making. So you will see the puzzles for 1,485% increase, or that's why you can, if you're a VA, eBay VA, so this should be one of your list in the store of your client. And then what else? Stay in your backyard. So as temperatures rise, shoppers are looking to get their outdoor fix at home. Yeah, because right now we are in the springtime and going to summer now. So that's why, and actually we already feel hot here in the US. So that's why swimming pools, 595%, string lights, swing and slides, of course this is for the kids, cornhole bag toss, grill and griddles, skateboarding and longboarding. So always try to look at things that related now on summer, because for sure it's gonna be good. You're gonna get a good sale. And then rise of the hobbyist. So discover new ways to spend free time, from baking and to beekeeping. So like bread machines, fryers, brewing, distilling, wine making. So I don't know why. So maybe because they don't want any. They don't want. They cannot go anymore in the restaurants right now, because all the restaurants and fast foods here are all dine-in, are all closed, but we still have the drive-through. So outdoor big houses and feeders, hydroponics, urban farming, and chicken. So of course they started to do things like this because also for the boredom, and also instead of going out to buy bread, so they are just making their own. And the other one is get your yard in gear. So plant the seed and watch things grow. Composters, greenhouses, fertilizers, seeds and bulbs, basket pots, and window boxes and fencing. So about gardening. Okay. So he said and she said. So how we're staying comfortable and well room at home. So like what this clippers and trimmers, yeah. So I think like 2 weeks ago my husband just cut the hair of my son because the the what they call this, the grooming shop right now are all closed. So styling capes, so what are the materials that you need when you're cutting your hair? So of course you need clippers, you need like gowns, so you will not get any hair on your clothes. So scissors also, tanning embeds and boots, nail care and accessories, of course. Spa and are all closed here. Hair coloring kits, waxing supplies, and men's clothing, sleepwear, and robes. Yeah, so because you are working from home, you want to be more comfortable because And then what else? Staying in shape. So dumbbells, weight plates, pull-up bars, kettlebells, benches, resistance trainers, exercise mats, rowing machine, bicycle trainers, yoga and pilates, punching bags, ellipticals, treadmills, stair machines. So these are the 4 workouts, gym, yoga, that. So around the house. So last one, we're committed to freshness from fragrances to fixing up your space. So bidets, paint, candles, kitchen storage or organization, home fragrances, wallpaper, and air fresheners. Yeah. So of course, they're staying at home, so they want to be more, presentable, smells good, the house, So yes, I hope you as a virtual assistant of eBay, and this will help you, give you idea what are the high demand, sellable right now during the pandemic. So I hope this video helps you, and if this video think that it's good for you and give you information, so please click that like button. And if you want to learn more about working from home, earn from home, and or becoming an eBay virtual assistant or e-commerce virtual assistant, so please read the comment or the description under this video, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for you to be notified every time I have a new video. So again, thank you very much and God bless.